Did you get that?
Oh my god.
Are you with me, lions? The choice is yours now.
No! No. They are my chicken nuggets. No.
Okay, Marvin, this is a chew toy. See? That's a chew toy. You're supposed to chew it. Oh.
Y'all might judge me, but I named my cat Charlie so I could literally talk to him in an English accent. Charlie! Charlie! Hello? How are you? Also, when he bites me, I'm able to say, ouch, Charlie, you bit my finger!
I just want to get on here and say Merry Christmas from my family.
I didn't know you could do that. Remy, are you okay? You okay, Remy? Kiki. Excuse me. Excuse. Oh, okay.
I need somebody to tell Cameron that he cannot go outside. No, baby. No. We live in the hood. Them cats will tear your ass up. He is a house cat, and he think that he could go outside and go play with them ghetto outside cats. Baby, you vaccinated. I don't know what them cats got. You're not going out there.
Mother, I crave violence.
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh, you poor thing.
Yeah.
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Surprise, shawty!
Mother, I crave violence.
Kitty gets gifts too.
Surprise, shawty!
What did you do to my boy?
Go away. You've ruined a lot of things today. Oh, no, come. Oh no, I didn't mean it. Oh no.
No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Do you love me? No. Yes. No. Hey.
No, Dad. I'm not gonna do it hard.
Get it in there. Coco, be nice. Be nice, Coco. It's okay. Don't be mean, Coco. Coco. Don't do it, Coco. Look at me. Look at me. Make good decisions, Coco. Don't do it. Hey! That's mean.
Please tell me I'm not the only one that helps my cat sneeze.
you a question? Swear, can I ask you a question? Do you want to be Pudgy's friend? I'll send him a friend request, okay?
Alright guys, super random, but does anybody know why this is here? Let me show you guys. Why is that there? And does anybody know how much HP they have?
Bro, do something about it.
Hey bestie, get away from me, you clingy child. Hey, I will have you know I am a whopping 8 months old. Cool, and I'm 12 years old, so I'm the boss of you. If you're the boss, then how come I could easily take you down? And what makes you say that? This. Help. Respect your elders. No, you little brat. This isn't over.
Hey, Mom? What's wrong? I just threw it up all over the floor in the kitchen. Oh, it's okay, sweetie. And I also threw it up all over the floor in the living room. Okay, that's okay, sweetie. And I spread my poop all over the walls of the bathroom.
It's getting less okay. It's getting less okay.
Then I eated some of the poop and then threw it up all over the bathroom too.
What kind of child are you?
Stop it. Get away, you psycho. Stop. I know you're about to bite me. Ow! Beans, what's wrong?
You didn't like to fix sleep.
Look how grumpy you look. So we're at 699,000 followers. So I wanted to show you why you should follow, and it's because we got every kind of cat. We got this black and white cat who don't like me. We got tabby cats. We got other black and white cats. We got this little silver thing. We got orange cats. We got buff cats. We got regular tabby cats. We got fat calico cats. We got this little cute little thing. It's a little black cat. We got cats with only one good eye. Hi, Bolin. We got cats with 2 good eyes. Charlie. We got cats with no eyes. We got cats whose legs don't work. We got cats whose legs do work. We got super old cats. We got a super little baby cat who is crooked. We got like whatever that is, like a teenage type cat. We got that kind of cat. We got that kind of cat. We got a lot of these kind of cats. We got every kind of cat.